Airport check-in. Hi, Jack. Ready to check in?
I think so.
Okay. Do you have your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Great. And your flight ticket?
I have it, yes.
Perfect. Let's go to the counter.
Uh, do I need my bag?
Yes, you must put it there.
Oh, okay. How much?
Weight limit is 20 kilograms.
20 kilograms. My bag. Very heavy.
Maybe take out some things?
I think I will.
Also, liquids must be in small bottles.
Small bottles, like this?
Yes, perfect. Now step forward.
Uh, do I need ID again?
Just show your passport here, please.
Okay, here it is again.
Great. Now seat preference, window or aisle.
I like window. Yes, window.
Perfect. Window it is. Boarding pass ready.
Oh, I I got it now.
Yes, almost done, Jack.
Thank you. I feel ready?
Good. Time to go to security.
Security. Scary, I think.
Don't worry. Just follow instructions.
Okay, I will try my best.
That's the spirit. Let's walk. Boarding pass problem. Hi, Liam. Ready for boarding?
I think so.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Here. Wait, I lost it?
Lost it? Are you sure?
Uh, yes, I don't know.
Okay, let's check your reservation first.
Reservation, yes, online, I think.
No problem. What's your last name?
Uh, it's Smith. Liam Smith.
Found it. You have seat 12A.
Oh, thank you. I'm saved.
Do you have ID to confirm it?
Uh, yes, passport. Here it is.
Perfect. We can print a new pass.
Print, how long will it take?
Just a few minutes. No worry.
Okay, I wait then.
Done. Here's your new boarding pass.
Oh, finally. I got it.
Great. Now go to your gate.
Uh, Gate. Do I run?
No, just walk. You have time.
Phew. Okay. Thank you, Sophie.
Enjoy your flight, Liam.
Uh, I hope no more problems.
Don't worry. You're ready now. Security check. Hi, Ethan. Ready for security?
Uh, I hope so.
Take out your laptop and liquids.
Laptop, liquids. Okay, here.
Shoes off, please. Place them here.
Shoes off. Do I take socks?
Yes, socks stay on. Don't worry.
Uh, Bag. Do I open this?
Yes, put it on the conveyor.
Conveyor, like this, yes?
Perfect. Now walk through the scanner.
Scanner. Scary. I'm scared.
Don't worry, it's very fast.
Fast? Okay, I try.
Arms up, please. Step inside.
Step like this?
Yes, perfect. Almost done.
Done? Already? Wow.
Take your things and shoes back.
Shoes and laptop. Okay. Here.
All set. You passed security.
Whew. I I made it. Yes.
Good job. Time for your gait.
Uh, Gait. Walk fast or slow?
Walk fast, but don't run.
Okay. I walk fast then.
See? Easy. Security finished. Asking for gate information. Hi, Noah. Do you need help?
Yes. I don't know.
What do you need to find?
My gate. I lost it.
Oh, okay. Where is your boarding pass?
Here. I have it.
Great. Let's see. Ah, gate 45B.
Gate 45B? Where is my gate?
Follow me. I'll show you the way.
Uh, Long walk? I'm tired.
Not too far, just straight, then left.
Straight, then left. Okay, I try.
Watch the signs. They will help too.
Signs. Yes, I see them.
Perfect. Almost there. Just a few steps.
Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Maybe. I need restroom first.
Then go. Gate will wait for you.
Okay, I go fast.
Good idea. Safe flight, Noah. Flight delay. Hi, Daniel. Everything okay today?
Uh, I I don't know.
What's wrong? You look worried.
Uh, Flight delayed? I I wait long?
Let me check. Yes, delayed.
Delayed? How long?
About 2 hours, maybe more.
2 hours. I hungry.
No problem. Food court is over there.
Uh, Food. Yes. Maybe I eat first?
Good idea. Drinks too. Water or coffee?
Uh, Coffee. I I need energy.
Okay. Then take your time. Enjoy.
Uh, I I also check gate again.
Yes, gate stays the same. 22A.
Oh, gate 22A. Okay, thank you.
Friendly. Boarding will start later. Relax a bit.
Relax. I try. Maybe sleep?
Good idea. Keep your boarding pass ready.
Yes, I keep it safe.
That's perfect. Time flies. Maybe fast.
I hope flight comes soon.
Missing flight. Hi, Ben. Are you okay?
I think not.
What happened? You look worried.
Flight. I miss it.
Miss it? Are you sure?
Yes, I late. Too late.
Okay, let's check with the airline desk.
Airline desk. Where is it?
Just straight, then right, you see signs.
Straight right. Okay, I go.
Tell them your flight number.
Flight number. Yes. 345, maybe.
They can help you find another flight.
Another flight. I hope one soon?
Don't worry, you still have options.
Options. Yes, maybe window seat?
We'll see. First, find new ticket.
Okay, I go ask now.
Good idea. I'll wait here for you.
Thank you, Laura.
You're welcome. Everything will work out.
I hope don't miss next.
Don't worry, just hurry a bit. Lost luggage. Hi, Tom. Everything okay?
I think not.
What happened? You look worried.
Luggage. I lost it.
Lost it? Are you sure?
Yes. Bag, not on the belt.
Okay, let's go to the lost luggage desk.
Desk. Where? Where is it?
Just straight, then left. See the signs.
Straight left. Okay, I follow.
Tell them your flight and bag tag.
Bag tag. Yes, I have number.
Good, they can track your luggage.
Hope bag comes soon.
Don't worry, they find most bags quickly.
Quickly. Yes, I hope.
While you wait, maybe get some coffee.
Coffee. Yes, I need energy.
Good idea. Keep your receipt safe.
Thank you, Hannah.
You're welcome. Bag will come soon.
I hope not lost forever.
Don't worry, they know what they do. Immigration interview. Hi, Alex. Ready for immigration?
I think so.
Do you have your passport and visa?
Yes. Here, I have both.
Good. Step forward. Officer will ask questions.
Questions. I worry.
Don't worry. Just answer slowly and clearly.
Slowly, clearly. Okay, I try.
Where will you stay in the USA?
Hotel. Yes, near city center.
How long will you stay here?
Three days, maybe 4?
Purpose of visit? Business or vacation?
Vacation. I want sightseeing.
Do you have return ticket?
Yes, I bought online.
Great. Officer may ask more questions.
More questions? I hope I pass.
Don't worry. Stay calm and friendly.
Okay, I try my best.
That's the spirit. You'll be fine.
Thank you, Laura.
Welcome to the USA, Alex. Asking for directions at the airport. Hi, Ryan. Do you need help?
Yes, I'm lost.
Where do you want to go?
Gate 32. I don't know.
Gate 32. Okay. Follow me a bit.
Yes, I follow.
Straight ahead, then take the escalator up.
Escalator, I see it.
After that, turn right at signs.
Turn right. Okay, I try.
Watch the signs carefully. They help too.
Signs, yes, I see them.
Almost there. Gate is just ahead.
Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Flight, I hope on time.
Don't worry, you have plenty of time.
Time, okay. I walk fast.
Good idea. Gate 32 is ready for you. Boarding the plane. Hi, Luke. Ready to board?
I think so.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here, I have it.
Perfect. Please follow the line.
Line, I go slow?
Walk normally. No need to rush.
Okay, thank you, Sarah.
Your bag. Put it in the overhead bin.
Bin, yes, I try.
Great. Seat is right there.
Seat, yes, I sit now.
Buckle your seatbelt, please.
Seat belt, I fasten it now.
Tray table up and phone off.
Table, okay. Phone off.
Yes.
Good. We're almost ready for takeoff.
Thank you, Sarah.
Enjoy your flight, Luke.
I hope smooth flight.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.